We are finally at the Magic Kingdom.
Look at the beautiful flowers on the ground.
I have our tickets ready in my hand.
I want to take a photo right here.
Can we run to the castle very fast?
Wait for us, Jack. We are a team.
This street looks like an old movie set. It smells like sweet popcorn and fresh candy. Look at the giant balloons in the sky.
Castle is so pink and so tall.
Let us walk slowly and enjoy the music.
Wow! The windows of the shops are so pretty. Everyone, big smiles.
Ready when you are.
Wow, look at that castle. It's magical.
Let's go explore.
I can't wait to see everything.
Woo! I'm flying a ballplane!
My head is starting to feel very funny.
Hold on tight until the ride stops.
Please do not spin the cup too fast.
Too late, Jack is turning the wheel.
Everything is moving in a big circle.
Whoa, dizzy!
Hold on tight.
It's so fun!
This is incredible.
It sure is. Hold on tight.
Wow, look at the castle.
Woo! This is fun!
I love this so much.
Me too. Best day ever. This yellow ice cream is so cold.
It tastes like fresh pineapple and sun. I have a brain freeze from eating fast. Take a small bite so it does not hurt. We needed a rest in the quiet shade.
Now I have energy for the next ride.
This ice cream is delicious.
It is!
Go on, try it, sweetie.
But what if it tastes bad? Wow! Yummy!
See, we told you.
Ahoy there! Fancy some treasure?
Wow, is that real treasure?
It certainly looks like it.
Can we join it?
It's I!
Gold!
Pirates are singing a very loud song.
I see the dog holding the gold keys.
This place is dark, but it is very cool.
Is that a real skeleton on the bed?
No, it is just a puppet with lights.
Listen to the water splashing against our boat.
To our magical trip.
And to many more adventures.
Cheers, everyone! This is delicious.
This is the best. To our wonderful family.
And to this beautiful evening.
Cheers!
This is delicious.
Now for the sandwiches.
This sandwich is very sweet and very salty.
Let us sit and watch the boats go by.
It feels like nighttime in here, Michael.
The lanterns on the tables are glowing orange.
Wow, a real ghost! Hi!
Hello, welcome to the spooky ride.
What, Santa? Is it safe, Mom?
The ghost in the mirror is sitting with us!
Do not worry, it is only a funny trick.
The painting is growing longer and longer now.
The floor feels like it is moving down.
I think I hear a ghost playing the piano.
This is my favorite spooky place in the park.
Wow, this is incredible.
It really is. Look at all these people.
The lights are so pretty.
Yeah, and everyone's cheering for us. This is the best adventure.
This ride is very long and very bright.
It shows us that the world is one family.
I can see the Eiffel Tower made of glitter.
This hall of dreams in me.
We float on waters calm and true.
With hearts as
Our spirits rise.
singing songs of gentle skies. Stay.
The song is very easy to sing along.
Look at the white polar bear waving at us.
Every doll is wearing a different colorful dress.
Wow, this is amazing!
It's so beautiful, honey.
Incredible. Hold on tight, everyone. Faster, faster!
We're going so fast!
I feel the wind blowing in my hair.
We are moving so fast past the stars.
That was the best space trip in the world. Do not look at them, Jack. They look mean. They are just robots in white armor.
Mom?
Let us go find some blue milk to drink. Petra.
Park looks so different with the night lights.
Sit on this blanket and wait for the show.
I am a little bit sleepy now, Dad. Stay awake, Jack. The magic is about to start.
Look, the castle is changing color to blue now.
The music is starting. I can hear it now.
Wow, it's more magical than I imagined.
It really is. Look at those lights.
It's like a dream come true.
Yeah, can we go inside?
Of course. Let's go.
Disneyland is the happiest place on earth tonight.
Pure magic.
Look at the red and green hearts in sky. I never want this beautiful night to end. Wow, that was a huge boom in the sky. The gold sparkles look like falling magic dust.
I feel like a child again watching these lights. The dancers are wearing such sparkly gold costumes.
I am waving my hands at Donald Duck now. The music makes me want to dance too.
There is Buzz Lightyear on a giant spaceship.
Cinderella is waving at me from her carriage. Sit on my shoulders, see Jack. Control this, that got see better.
Ready for our adventure?
Yes.
And this pretzel is the perfect start.
It looks so yummy.
Mine is.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Delicious.
This pretzel is almost as big as your head. I will eat the Mickey ears first of all.
Dip it in the warm yellow cheese sauce, Jack. Okay, where is it?
We have walked 10,000 steps today, Michael.
My feet are tired, but I am still happy.
Man, Tubai, can we go to Tomorrowland after this snack?
I am so tired. I want to sleep.
I will carry you to the bus, my brave boy.
We had a very long and very special day.
Yay!